Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your crypto.com Visa card to buy crypto. First, make sure your crypto.com Visa card is properly linked to your account within the app. Next, ensure your card has enough funds to cover your desired cryptocurrency purchase. It's also wise to quickly review any associated fees before proceeding with your transaction. This preparation helps ensure a smooth buying experience. Once your card is ready, open the crypto.com app and tap on the Buy button. From there, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the specific coin you want to purchase. When prompted for a payment method, simply choose your crypto.com Visa card. This direct integration makes the process quite straightforward for users. Before finalizing, carefully review all transaction details displayed on your screen. This includes the amount of crypto you're buying and any applicable fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the purchase using your chosen security verification, such as a passcode or fingerprint. Your newly acquired cryptocurrency will then be deposited into your crypto.com wallet, usually within moments. Remember to be mindful of any daily or monthly purchase limits that may apply to your account. Also, keep an eye out for special promotions or cashback rewards that might be available when using your crypto.com Visa card for crypto purchases. Always ensure you are using a secure internet connection and never share your login details with anyone. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.